A lot of problems arise because the consumer doesn't understand what's happening behind the curtain, behind the scenes of getting a mortgage. Understanding that process, the timelines, and the guidelines more accurately can help you with a smooth and on-time closing. Since less than 50% of mortgage applications get to a closing, I've created a list of my 10 commandments of what not to do while in the mortgage process. What are some mortgage do's and don'ts? Don't buy a car when you are in the process of getting a home mortgage unless you plan to live in it. Another mortgage don't is do not change positions at work. Especially don't go from salary to commission or salary to bonus. The best thing to do is not to make any changes while you're in the mortgage process. Be completely frozen if you want to go to closing. Another mortgage don't is do not finance anything while you're in the mortgage process. I know it's very tempting to get your refrigerator, to get your washer and dryer, but that could end up in a last-minute loan denial. It's best to wait till after closing. Another mortgage don't change bank accounts during the process. I know you may be moving from state to state and you need to liquidate from one bank and move it to the next. Do not do that. It's difficult to paper trail and it can cause time delays and definite issues with your loan. Here's another mortgage don't. Do not close any accounts while you're in the mortgage process. It can actually change your credit history, your credit timeline, your number of trade lines, as well as your credit score, and it could cause a loan denial. Another mortgage do. Follow exactly what your loan officer says. Exactly. To the T. Do not stop paying your bills. No matter what is going on, make sure you continue to pay every bill on time. Do not decide to become unemployed during your mortgage process, and do not decide to change jobs. Do not max out your current credit cards, and do not apply for any new credit cards while in the mortgage process. Do not co-sign a loan for anyone while you're going through your mortgage process. For more information on how to choose the right loan officer for you, pick up a copy of my book, Mortgage Peace, on Amazon.com.